Alright guys, so welcome to today's giveaway video, and in today's giveaway video we have this Suna fruit right here. So this is another fruit which was created 1 or 2 years ago, and I just wanted to recycle this one because it actually is pretty decent, and I think that most of you do not even know about that fruit, so you don't even know that I have created this fruit in the past, because most of you are probably new subscribers. I just assume that now. I'm sorry if it is not the case. So the following, you're going to see some of the moves, the link to the old video, so the tutorial video, and the model is in the description, guys. Take care and enjoy.